Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to Tommy's class project talking about his top 2 apps that students can use. And this video is brought to you by your friends at Ivy Tech Community College and everybody at the Excel Center Bloomington. And if you guys are new to the Excel Center Bloomington, you guys can go to excelcenter.org/enrollment because they're doing an open enrollment. And if you guys are new to this channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell so you guys will not miss out on any videos. And let's get this video started. So the thing that I'm wanting to show you guys is this thing called What is Clever? Clever is a digital learning platform. Clever is a digital learning platform that converts your school's data into an online program for you and your students. You can access a single sign-up access for students, families, and educators with our username and password in a Clever badge. Clever badge, which will let everybody know, Clever badge, you guys can use that like inside the school system. Elementary students use that over there at my old school called Bedford North Lawrence. At North Lawrence Community Schools. So what is Google Docs? Support learning with a Google Workplace for educators, single, secure, and flexible tools. Help your students collaborate easily, streamline instantly, keep a learning environment safer with tools designed for students and families. It has Google Meet and Google Docs, plus it can help your connection, and the teachers can always look at your work if you share the work, and you guys can also use like Google Classroom, Gmail, and all the etc. So what can it do to help out for your students? Number one, it can help keep track how to access your students' passwords and emails. Teachers can look at the grades and courseware. Parents can look at the minors' grades, share documents with the class and teachers more easily, and look at the good emails that you two. So it's a two-way street for you and your classmates to look at work sometimes together whenever you guys get really stuck. In that picture down there, just to let you guys know, that picture is just an example of students using like a Google setup like this. So this right here is a Chrome base. So they have like these apps down here, like this one whenever you guys log on. This one right here is Google Docs. Now Google Docs, just to click on it and just to show you guys, Google Docs is a wonderful app, and just to show you guys, throughout all my work here at the Excel Center, I have it like all mapped out on here throughout the years, throughout the 3 years I've been here. So also this right here is my personal one, which I got like for instance, morning announcements. I got like my channel helps out different areas. Like also, I got the Maui High School stuff. There's just a lot of different stuff on there. I even got the Project School Family Handbook if you guys would like to look at that. So also, like, another good resource for students is this Google Drive. Google Drive helps out your students by way too many factors. So the first factor, it can help you find when you need faster. So this thing can filter like all around your different stuff. So kind of like these morning announcements are from the school corporation. Like show you on my Thomas Cunningham one from the Excel Center. I got this one right here. All these ones I have made here at the Excel Center Bloomington. Now with the shared drives, I made this one with one of my favorite teachers in the world. And also to show you guys like some different ones, like my drive, I have like this class ENTR 215, which I have that on here, which those are the 3 files that I have on here, which I think is really good. So also on my drive, I got classroom, which all this right here, all these are all the classes that I did here at the Excel Center Bloomington. In how I got this is an interesting thing. I got here because the Excel Center is a really good school. It can help out different people too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for choosing the Learning Life and Living radio scanners. And again, the Excel Center is doing free enrollment for anybody that is looking to get a second chance in education. You guys can either reach out to us by 812-353-8084 or contact one of my friends like Rachel Powell or Hannah Anderson or any of the teachers. Thank you. Have a great day.